Welcome to CharmHealth, your medical records management and practice management application on the cloud. In this video, we will go over how to configure fee schedules in CharmHealth. Fee schedules enable practices to apply differential charges to procedures and products. Different fee schedules created will be available for selection while generating invoices. Charges of procedures and products will be taken from the selected fee schedule. To enable fee schedules, go to Settings, then Billing, then Fee Schedules. Set Enable Fee Schedules for the practice to Yes. A master fee schedule with all procedures from the Procedures Code section and products added to the EHR along with their corresponding charges is available here by default and cannot be edited or deleted. To create a new fee schedule, click the Add Fee Schedule button. Enter fee schedule name and description. You can make a fee schedule provider-specific and map it to a provider from your practice. This fee schedule will automatically be pulled up in charts and invoices created by this provider. Or you can make a fee schedule patient-specific and map it to a category of patients. Then click Add. Procedure Codes section lists all the procedures added to the EHR. These can be filtered using the search function. In the fee schedule column, enter differential charges and discounts for procedures. For procedures you do not want to change the charges for, leave this column blank. Default charges will be applied for these procedures. Please note that if regular charges for procedure codes are updated, default charges and fee schedules will also be updated with the new charges. Repeat this process for products. Click Add. You can edit or delete a fee schedule by clicking the three dots next to it. In the Fee Schedule Settings section, choose a default fee schedule from the drop-down. This fee schedule will be selected automatically while generating invoices. Thank you for watching this video. For any help, write an email to support@charmhealth.com. Follow us on our social media for the latest updates.